morning everyone. In this video I'm going to talk about very simple understanding of the poem Dawn at Puri by Jayant Mahapatra. Earlier I have given you line by line summary and paraphrase of the poem. In this video I will be giving you critical analysis of the poem in a concrete or succinct way. Dawn at Puri by Jayant Mahapatra is a poem on the contemplation of death. Death has its metaphorical and metonymical connotation throughout the entire poem. What do we expect dawn to be in a holy place? Dawn in a holy place like Benares, Puri is very calm and it brings the hope and optimism for life. But surprisingly, in the poem Dawn at Puri, Jayanta Mahapatra represents a picture of dawn at Puri, which is known as a sacred Hindu shrine, as a very negative kind of dawn. And here, dawn is not at all bringing any sense of peace or hope for life. Rather, with a series of imagery, for instance, a burning pyre, the queue of the widows who are ready to enter the great temple of Jagannatha in Puri, the sound of the crows in the morning sky, the human skull on the sand, all represent the paraphernalia of death. And here he questions the suffering of humanity, at the same time the poignant awareness of mortality in the poem. At the same time he questions the efficacy of religion to heal people and their suffering. Jayant Mahapatra was a physicist by his training. He was a student of science and he had his degree in physics, and later he taught many years in different schools in Orissa as a physics teacher. So I think his training in science has given him some skepticism, and as a result, through the lens of skepticism of a scientific mind, he questions the tradition, rituals, and the efficacy of religion to heal people in various senses of healing. And in the poem, there is a very beautiful juxtaposition of tradition, ritual, at the same time the gnawing awareness on mortality. So as a result, the poem is a perfect example of modern poetry in Indian writing in English, because modern poetry in Indian writing in English talks about the prosaic quality or prose-like quality of the modern existence, where human beings are suffering in their existential situation and there is hardly any hope for rejuvenation or salvation from life. So here, with a series of imagery, he presents the bizarre and bleak picture of life of modern man, and especially the location is dawn, very beautiful dawn in a very holy city, Puri. So, dawn in a religious place here is not bringing any sense of hope, rejuvenation. Rather, dawn at Puri is questioning what religion does to us. Why doesn't religion heal us from various senses of suffering and human mortality? So, this poem is a scathing satire and criticism of traditional religion and people's blind faith in it. Hope you liked this succinct video analysis. If you like the video, please do like and share the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more similar updates. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching.